gathering for the first time as the prime rating team, seeing each other for the first time in general.
I think overall it was really worth being here the full time and also sleeping here, you know, and not just meeting here for like a couple of hours and then everybody goes their separate ways again, but actually also having the chance to discuss things over a beer after work or during lunch, during dinner.
So what is Prime Rating Team working on right now? We are thinking about how can we structure the permissionless or the currently still somewhat permissioned rating process, and how can we restructure it in a permissionless way.
I mean, the environment is super great. So like jumping in the pool or just sitting outside, like having lunches outside, it's amazing.
Art and pottery, so you will also be able to cultivate your cultural artsy side, which is pretty cool.